In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change display name in Janitor AI. Let's start at the very beginning. Open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Janitor AI, then open the official website from the results. If you prefer, you can go straight to the site by entering janitora.com in your address bar. Either way, you'll land on the homepage. Once you're on the site and in your account, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile avatar or icon there. Click it to open the account menu. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you to your profile settings area, where you can adjust how your profile appears to others. In the settings page, find the field labeled Name, Main Persona. This is your public display name, the name people will see when they interact with you on Janitor AI. Think of it as your outward-facing identity. It's different from things like your email or login, and it's what appears across chats and community-facing areas. Click into the Name, Main Persona field, and type the display name you want to use. You can keep it simple with your first name, or choose a creative handle that represents your style. Aim for something clear, easy to read, and appropriate for the communities you engage with. If you use special characters, keep them minimal, as some platforms limit symbols or length. Consistency can help people recognize you, so consider matching the name you use on other platforms if that fits your brand. After you've entered the new name, look for the Save Changes button on the page and click it. You should see your update take effect shortly. In many cases, the new display name will appear right away in your profile header and any visible profile cards. If it doesn't show up instantly, give it a moment or refresh the page to make sure the change has propagated. That's all there is to it. Visit the Janitor AI site. Open your profile menu at the top right, go into Settings, update the Name, Main Persona field with the display name you want, and then click Save Changes. A quick tip before you wrap up. Choose a name you'll be comfortable using across different conversations, and avoid anything that could be mistaken for impersonation or violate community guidelines. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your updated display name in Janitor AI.